Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, always I'm saying just work with amethyst, with crown chakra symbol. So, because it's needed for your energy to be stable in a mental level. So, you have to work with amethyst, crown symbol, stone. So you have to do this, and some cards always pulling out automatically, so I don't know why. Uh, so this is the message for someone. Tower card is coming out, so for someone something is happening with you, so don't worry, just relax. Everything fall into the place automatically, and don't be bothered, just chill and wear a sunglasses, especially black. So because your spiritual team trying to say this, your eyes need some protection right now. You have to work with black glasses. Balance, faith, you have to maintain faith in yourself, because balance is in your forte, and something going to be end, so you have to release to end. So because lots of creativity wants to come, and if you are want to be a manifester, big manifester, so there is energy, but you have to end something big, which is uh, not good for you and not for you. So you have to be release those energies, because you have to become a manifester king, the magician, and this is the number one card, so you have to be. So strength is coming, so definitely you work with manifestation, and you are dancer maybe, so you will rock, and you will be patient, and there is a elephant coming out, so elephant totem helps you, or elephant energies helps you to be calm, be intelligent, and work with intelligence. So this kind of energy is trying to connect with you and work with you, but you have to end something big, uh, which is not be with you right now, whatever, whoever you are and wherever you are. This energy not belongs to you, so you have to release them, because there is some kind of energies here. If you feel this kind of thing, so I don't want to say it, and my spiritual team don't uh, give me the permission to say like that word, because maybe you are the sensitive one and you get something, so and I am kind of something. So this is not my life, this is your life. You have to release that kind of thing, because this is the hangman, and in the right definition for this, just change your perspective, just release whatever negativity you have, just leave your tree life or spiritual life, and you have a strength, you have a magician power, you have a calmness, you have intelligence, you have a knowledge, and you have Lord Krishna's chariot. So why do you stuck in there? This is not for you. Just release. So you have to be calm and work with your mind, so because you are here to achieve big success, and you are going outside or doing something wrong, so this is something not good for you and your health and your loved ones health, so don't do that. So I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy healthy life. Thank you.